Now see here the next question. In a test of 50 questions means there exists one test, and in this test 50 questions are there. Get it? Next is plus 5 are given for each correct answer. Let us say your paper is there, and if you have given the correct answer, then you people will get 5 marks. Get it? And minus 1 is given means your minus 1 means your 1 mark deducted for each incorrect answer. Means if your 1 incorrect answer is there, that means your 1 mark deducted. Okay, I will give you one example. Let us say I make the question by myself. If 2 questions are there in front of you, 1 question you have given correct and 1 question you have answered incorrect. Get it? For this correct answer you will get 5 marks full, and for this incorrect answer your 1 mark deducted. 5 marks you score and 1 mark you are deducted because of this incorrect question. 5 minus 1, 4. That means your marks are 4. Get it? So in this way the question is there. 50 questions are there. If you have given correct answers, then you have to give, teacher will give you 5 marks. And if you given the incorrect answers, then 1 mark of yours deducted. And 0 for non-attempting means if you are not attempting the questions, then nothing will be there, 0 marks of yours. Rahul completed the test with 42 correct answers. He has given 42 correct answers. Means in answer sheet, let us say this is the answer sheet, 42 times his teachers given him 5 marks, like this way. And 5 incorrect answers. He has given 5 incorrect answers. And now see, that is quite common sense. 50 questions are there. 42 he has given correct answers. 5 he has given incorrect answers, means 47 questions he attempted. So that means 3 questions are there which he not attempted even. So no, leave it, because here 0 marks is given, so that is not our question. So leave it. Find the marks obtained by Rahul. Now I am writing each and everything, you can see. Now see, this thing up to this, all things are clear. Rahul completed the test with 42 correct answers. Means he has given 42 correct answers. Get it? This line you not have to write it. So the numbers obtained by Rahul by giving 42 correct answers. Now see, if in your answer sheet 42 times 5 written, that means your total marks will be 42 multiplied by 5. So that means your total marks will be 210 marks, if any negative marking, if your 1 mark is not deducted. Now, but it is given also 5 incorrect answers he also have given. So number deducted, or we can say it reduced, of Rahul by giving 5 incorrect answers. 5 answers he have given incorrect. That means 1 mark we have to deduct. So minus 1 multiplied by 5, our answer is minus 5. That means minus 5 means we have to reduce 5 marks from him. So the net marks of Rahul is equal to 210 minus 5. So the total marks in the test will be 205 marks. I hope you people will understood.